Hello friends, this is Nidhi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the spring roll recipe. I'm going to make 6 types of spring roll. I'm going to use 6 types of filling in the spring rolls. So if you find my video useful, then please subscribe to my channel. Now let's see the ingredients we need for this. For first filling, here I have taken 1 cup of boiled noodles, 1 cup of thinly sliced cabbage, half cup of thinly sliced carrot, half cup of thinly sliced capsicum, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced onion, half teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, half teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies, one-4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil and some salt to taste. And for second filling, here I have taken 60 to 70 gram paneer. I have chopped it into smaller pieces. 1 cup of thinly sliced cabbage, half cup of thinly sliced carrot, half cup of thinly sliced capsicum, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced onion, half teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, half teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil, some salt to taste. And for third filling, here I have taken 1 cup of thinly sliced cabbage, half cup of thinly sliced carrot, 1/4 cup of thinly sliced onion, half teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, half teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, half teaspoon of finely chopped green chili, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of oil and some salt to taste. And for fourth filling, here I have taken 1 packet of Maggi Noodles. This is a 10 rupee pack. Half packet of Maggi Masala Magic. This is optional. And for fifth filling, here I have taken 1 cup of thinly sliced onion, 1/3 teaspoon of black pepper powder and some salt to taste. And for sixth filling, here I have taken 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, half cup of chopped carrot, capsicum and cabbage, half teaspoon of chopped green chili, some chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan, 1/3 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/3 teaspoon of chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala and some salt to taste. And for making dough, here I have taken 1 cup of plain flour or maida, 4 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon oil, some salt to taste and oil for frying. Now let's make the filling for the spring roll first. So for that, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. When the oil become hot, add chopped garlic, ginger and green chilies. Fry them for few seconds on high flame. Now after that, add onion, carrot, cabbage and capsicum. Mix it well and fry them on high flame for 2 minutes. Don't overcook. Now after that, add noodles, boiled noodles, red chili sauce, soya sauce followed by some black pepper powder and some salt to taste. Mix this well and cook this for a minute or so. Now the noodles is ready. Now turn off the flame and keep it aside so that it can cool down. Now let's make the second filling. So for that, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a same pan. When the oil become hot, add ginger, garlic and green chilies. Fry them for some seconds on high flame. Now after that, add onion, carrot, capsicum and cabbage like so, and fry them on high flame for 2 minutes. Don't overcook these as we want to retain their crunchiness. Now after 2 minutes, add paneer and black pepper powder, some salt to taste, red chili sauce and soya sauce. Mix it well and cook this for a minute. Now after 1 minute the filling is ready. So turn off the flame and keep it aside so that it can cool down. Now let's make the third one. So for that, heat 1 tablespoon oil in a same pan. When the oil become hot, add chopped ginger, garlic and green chili like so, and fry them for some seconds on high flame. Now after that, add onion, carrot and cabbage. Mix it well and cook this on a high flame for 2 minutes. Now after 2 minutes, add black pepper powder, some salt to taste and soya sauce. Mix it well and cook this for a minute or so. Now after that the filling is ready. So turn off the flame and keep it aside so that it can cool down. Now let's make the fourth one. So for that, here I boiled 1 cup of water in a kadai. Now add in this Maggi noodles, 1 packet of taste maker which came in the Maggi packet, and half packet of Maggi masala magic. This is optional. I am adding this for some spiciness. Now mix it well and cook the Maggi like we normally do. Cook it until it dries. Now the Maggi is ready, so turn off the flame. Now let's make the next filling. So for that, here I boiled 2 medium potatoes. I mashed them. In that, add chopped carrot, capsicum and cabbage, chopped green chilies, chopped coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of besan, red chili powder, roasted cumin powder, some chaat masala, garam masala and some salt to taste. Now mix it well. And our fifth filling is also ready. Now let's make the last one. Here I have 1 cup of sliced onion. In that I am going to use only black pepper powder and some salt to taste. This is my personal favorite filling and very easy. If you have wrappers at home, you can make the spring roll in just 2 minutes. Like you can make the rolls very fast. Now the last one is also ready. Here I have 6 fillings ready. Now let's make the dough for the wrappers. So for that, take 1 big mixing bowl and add 1 cup of maida, 4 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of oil and some salt to taste. Now mix it well and knead the dough and knead a medium soft dough. I have used half cup of water in kneading. Now the dough is ready. So cover it with a cloth and keep it aside for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes the dough is ready. Now knead the dough for another some seconds like so, and divide the dough into equal portions. You can easily make 12 wrappers with this dough. Take 1 ball and roll it using a rolling pin. You can use dry flour as well. Now make 1 more sheet similar to this. Now grease the first sheet very well with the oil like so. And sprinkle some dry flour on the first sheet like so. Now place the second sheet over the first like so and start rolling them both together. You can use dry flour as well. Now the wrapper is ready, so let's cook it. So for that, here I have heated a tawa. Now place the wrapper on this tawa like so and cook the wrapper for 30 seconds on each side, and keep this in mind that the tawa shouldn't be very hot, and cook each side for 30 seconds only, not more than that. Now the one side is ready, so flip it and cook the other side for 30 seconds as well. Now the wrapper is ready, so take it out from the tawa and place it on a plate like so. After keeping the wrapper for 1 minute, you can separate it into 2 layers like so. Now the 2 wrappers is ready. Keep them in a damp cloth so that they won't dry like so. Similarly, I made all the wrappers. You can store them in a Ziploc bag for up to 1 month in a freezer. Now let's cut them into square shapes, or you can use the actual shape of the wrappers. Now the square wrappers is ready. Keep them in a damp cloth. Similarly, I have cut all the wrappers. For maida paste, here I have 1 tablespoon of maida, to which I am going to add some water and make a paste. This maida paste will help us to stick the rolls. Now we will start making spring rolls. So for that, take 1 sheet, place prepared stuffing at the corner near you like so. Now cover it and pull this towards and start making the roll like so. Now apply this glue on the sides like so. Now fold the sides inwards like so and start rolling it like so. Make sure that all the edges are completely sealed with the glue. Keep this in a damp cloth. Similarly, let's start making the rest of the spring rolls. I have made all the spring rolls. Now let's fry them. So for that, here I have heated some oil in a kadai. Now drop the spring rolls one by one into the oil and fry them. And keep this in mind that the oil shouldn't be very hot. It should be like medium hot. And fry the spring rolls for 6 to 7 minutes on medium flame. Now the spring rolls is ready. So take them out on a kitchen towel. Now let's fry the rest of the spring rolls. All spring rolls are now ready. So serve them with the ketchup or anything you like and enjoy. And if you like my video, then please like this and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.